Alright, some goodies from Acerbis. We're going to replace that skid plate with one that's actually guarding the link. And, well, I have one, but I guess the other side, as you can see it, that thing though broke here, so I cannot put this cover in, so I'm just gonna put it on one side. Let's do it. So the kit comes with 4 zip ties, 2 guards, the little bumper with the glue, the 2 rubber bands, the pre-sleeves that you attach to the swing arms, and metal pieces to get magnetic. So that's the magnet. When it's going to touch the other one, it's just going to click in place. And it's a pretty nice magnet. So we'll start with inserting the magnets, which they sit like right in place like this, which is nice and easy. Beautiful. And then let's install those. I remember you need to do like a double, so start with 1. We want to go like this so it will sit inside, and then do the same here. I did it this way. Yep. Also, I want to make sure that the orientation is right. I think so. This one, if I'm not mistaken, sitting here. Yep, it's gonna sit in here. So, and this one's gonna go around. So I'm gonna put this guy on the bottom. Yeah, this is the right orientation. And then this guy. It's gonna go here, if I remember correctly, this way or this way. Yeah, and this is supposed to go like right in that area. Yep, it's right here. So there's a little shape here that fits right in. Perfect. And then we're gonna lock it in. All right. To make the other side slightly easier, I like to release that bolt a little, then give me some wiggle room here so that can slide underneath here, and that will be able to. Close this guy. And beautiful. Everything sits nice. I find it easier if I just put it in, open it. And then as I hold it, not as smooth as the first one, but this is how it's done. For the seal band, we're following that drawing. As you can see, this is piece A. You're gonna put a single piece like that and 2 small pieces on the bottom. So I put here and here and here on piece A, and top, side, and back on piece B. The piece they give you is shorter than what they can get here, so let's get it on. So this one's gonna go. Oh, it needs to sit nice and tight. Beautiful. That's the piece that goes here. Okay, go on in. There you go. Now, I don't have a thing with me, I just use your finger. Beautiful. Gonna do the second one. Slide. Click. And things are falling. And get the rubber. Oh, I need to do it beyond that, so. Because that rubber have some pull on it. Oh, make sure my finger goes through. Fantastic. Beautiful, look at that. Like a glove.